Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen, we are going to make a very simple side dish, onion chutney. Let's get started. Switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add 3 sliced onions. Saute well until the raw smell of onions went off. Now the raw smell of onion went off. This is the right stage to add all the other ingredients. Now I am going to add 1 chopped tomato, some chopped garlic and ginger, 5 to 6 dry red chilies, a pinch of tamarind and salt for taste. Saute well until the tomatoes become smashable. Now the tomatoes become smashable. So this is the right stage to switch off the stove. Let it be cool down for some times. Once it comes to room temperature, we can transfer the ingredients into a mixie jar and grind it as a smooth paste. Now our ground chutney is ready. See the consistency. Now we are going to tempering some ingredients, so that switch on the stove and place the tempering pan. Now I am going to add a little bit of oil. Once the oil is hot, we can add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and black gram dal. Once it's cracked well, we can add some curry leaves. That's all. Now our tempered ingredient is ready. Just add this into a chutney. Now our yummy onion chutney is ready to serve. It's an excellent combo for idli, dosa, Kuzhipaniyaram and Ragi Dosa. You can check the description box for the link of Ragi Dosa and Kuzhipaniyaram recipe. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Until then, thank you. Bye-bye.